நம்ம சேனலுக்கு நீங்கள் புதுசுனா நம்ம சேனல் எதை பற்றின்னு சொல்லிடுறேன். நம்ம சேனலில் கவர்மெண்ட் எக்ஸாம் டிப்ஸு, கவர்மெண்ட் எக்ஸாம்ஸ்க்கு எப்படி அப்ளை பண்ணணும், கவர்மெண்ட் எக்ஸாம் சிலபஸ் பேட்டர்ன் எப்படி ஃபாலோ பண்ணணும், அதுக்கான கிளாஸு, அதுக்கான நோட்ஸு அண்ட் ஏதாச்சும் நியூ ஜாப் அப்டேட்ஸ் வந்து அதோட அப்டேட்ஸும் நம்ம சேனலில் கிடைக்கும். ஸோ இதெல்லாம் உங்களுக்கு யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்கும்னு நினச்சிங்கன்னா நீங்கள் நம்ம சேனலை ஃபாலோ பண்ணிக்கோங்க. அண்ட் டெலிகிராம் குரூப்போட லிங்க் டிஸ்கிரிப்ஷனில் இருக்குது, கிளிக் பண்ணி ஜாயின் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. நீங்கள் என்ன இன்ஸ்டாகிராமில் ஃபாலோ பண்ணணும்னு நினச்சாலும் இன்ஸ்டாகிராம் லிங்க்கும் டிஸ்கிரிப்ஷனில் இருக்குது, கிளிக் பண்ணி ஃபாலோ பண்ணிக்கோங்க. நம்ம சேனலில் கவர்மெண்ட் எக்ஸாம்ஸ்க்கு படிக்கிற கேண்டிடேட்ஸ்க்காக ஒரு கிவ்அவே கண்டக்ட் பண்ணியிருக்கோம். ஸோ அதோட ஃபுல் டீட்டெயில்ஸ் நான் லாஸ்ட் வீடியோவில் கொடுத்துருந்தேன். வீடியோட லிங்க்கை நான் டிஸ்கிரிப்ஷனில் தரேன், இல்லை கார்ட்ஸில் தரேன். ஸோ கிளிக் பண்ணி செக் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. வீடியோ ஃபுல்லாக பார்த்துட்டு கிவ்அவேயில் கலந்துக்கிட்டு லக்கி வின்னராக சூஸ் ஆகுது. ஆல் தி பெஸ்ட். Don't skip this video or else you may miss some steps and the interview process may end there.
Hello and welcome to Amazon registration process. Kindly open the email and click on the assessment link provided. Once you click on the link, you will be redirected to the terms and conditions page. In the given registration form, please read the terms and conditions appropriately, and once you are done reading, click on next. These are the conditions required to be eligible to work at Amazon. You may abort now if you are not comfortable with any of these conditions. Click on next. In the candidate details list, kindly mention your first name, last name, date of birth, email address, your contact number, and your father's name. For source, if you're a former employee of Amazon, choose Rehire. Candidates who are in the final year of their graduation through distance learning mode, choose Campus. Please also be informed, we do not hire candidates undergoing full-time course through campus or university. If you were scheduled by an agency or a consultancy, choose Agency. If you found about this job through a social media platform, choose Social Media. If you were referred by an employee of Amazon, choose Referral. Or if you were contacted by an HR or you received an email posting from Naukri, please choose Online Job Board. Now choose your qualification. Mention your gender details. In the experience category, kindly mention your company name and compensation details of your former or current company. If you are a fresher, click on Fresher and choose NA. Now click on Submit. Now you will be directed to complete the assessment process. Before you begin, a page will open wherein your webcam and mic will be tested. Please ensure you have a working webcam, headsets and a mic. If you see a pop-up, click on Allow, then click on Next. And please allow the tool to identify your face and recognize your voice. Once the testing is completed successfully, you will be directed to the guidelines page. In the guidelines page, read the guidelines and instructions. You will be provided with 20 multiple choice questions which must be answered in 20 minutes. Then kindly click on next and the assessment will begin. Once the session is completed, you will receive a notification that it is completed. Then click on next. For further assessments, your system hardware will be tested again. Click on Allow if prompted and follow the given procedures carefully. Once the hardware test is completed, please read through the platform guidelines and click on Next. You have to ensure to complete this test in one sitting and follow the instructions carefully to understand the further registration process. Now you must click on Next. You will find two options. Click on Start Session to begin the test. Kindly make a note not to click on End Session without the completion of assessment. And please ensure that you do not close this tab while you are taking the assessments. Once you have clicked on Start Session, you will be directed to the registration page. Please read the job descriptions, wherein you will have to scroll down, click on Apply, then further scroll down and click on I accept and continue. If you are registering for the first time, please follow the given instructions. If you are registering for the first time, you will have to create an account, so please click on register here. Now, you will type your legal first name, last name, email address, and please mention the same email address. The password has to be a combination of alphabets, number and symbol. Preferably opt for a capital letter, your 10-digit mobile number and a hash symbol which is easy to remember. For mobile phone, choose the country code as India and type your mobile number and confirm your mobile number. Choose the preferred country as India, time zone as Asia, Kolkata and click on register just one time. Now scroll down, click on continue without document. If you have already created an account and remember your email address and password, please type your email address and password and click on sign in. If you do not remember your password, click on forgot password and type your email address and click on continue. Then you must open your email account wherein you would have received an email from recruitment. Here you will be able to reset your password. Click on the given link, change the password with the above mentioned combinations. Please type your new password, confirm your new password and after which you will be redirected back to the assessment page. Then you must scroll down in the personal information page. There you will find a hyperlink which states complete your application today. Click on that. In case if you do not find the hyperlink, please scroll up, click on search, choose job type as customer service and for country, choose India and click on filter jobs. We request you to wait for the page to load and you will find various requisitions for different locations. Please go through the requisitions and apply for the preferred location of your choice. Now scroll down, click on I accept and continue. Now scroll down, click on continue without document. Follow the common guidelines to further register. In the address 1, type in only your door number, street name or your house name or your apartment name. In the address 2, type your area name. In city, please mention the city. Select the state from the drop-down list. Mention your postal code or your PIN code. Now scroll down. For the alternate contact number, click on the drop-down for select phone country code. Choose India. Please wait for the country code to appear. Once it appears, please type your alternate number. Now scroll down. You will find the date of birth. Kindly mention your date of birth in month/date/year format. Please mention the latest date you will be available to start working with us. Please help us in answering how you got to know about this job. We have 4 major sources. If you were scheduled by an agency or a consultancy, choose agency. On the right hand side, choose other agency and type the name of the agency. If you saw a job posting in Naukri or received a mail from Naukri, choose online job board. On the right hand side, choose the option from the drop down list. If you were contacted by an HR from Amazon, choose other. On the right hand side, choose give other explanation and type the name of the HR. If you were referred by an employee of Amazon, choose referral. On the right hand side, choose current employee referral and mention the login ID of the employee. Before clicking on save and continue, please remember that the address has character limitations, so please do not type your complete address in the address 1 and 2. And also ensure the alternate phone number, select phone country code is India and the date of birth is typed in the right format. Now scroll down, click on save and continue. Then you will be redirected to the page Answer General Questions. Please be aware this may lead to elimination. Help us in understand if you are eligible for the further rounds of interview by answering these questions. These questions are basic eligibility criteria to work at Amazon. Once done answering, please click on Save and Continue. Now, in the Tell Us About Yourself page, if you are a former employee of Amazon, please choose Yes. If you are not a former employee of Amazon, please choose No. Provide your total years of experience in months. If you are a fresher, mention 0 to 6 months. In the next question, please provide your compensation details. If you are a fresher, kindly mention NA. Please select all the languages that you speak. If the language you speak is not mentioned, kindly mention Other. Specify your citizenship. Are you completing your application on-site at Amazon or recruiting email? Choose recruiting email and mention your city. For VCS, do you have a wired internet connection with 10 Mbps speed and a UPS power backup? If you do, choose Yes. If you do not, choose No. If you do not, but you are eligible to upgrade your line to 10 Mbps, please choose the third option. Kindly select your highest qualification. Kindly mention if you are currently pursuing. Kindly choose the appropriate course that you have completed or currently pursuing. For transport segment, if you have any doubts, please reach out to the HR. If you are aware of the transport boundaries provided by Amazon, please choose Yes. Now click on Save and Continue. You will be directed to diversity questions. Please select your gender and click on Save and Continue. Now you will be directed to the Take Assessment page. Now that you are in the Take Assessment page, open the audio file and listen to the instructions for the further rounds of interview. Best of luck. If you have accidentally closed the browser or your system had shut down, but if you have not clicked on End Session, please follow the instructions. Log into your email address provided and you will find an email from noreply@talue.com. Kindly copy the verification code provided and click on Attend, which will lead you to the assessment page. Paste the verification code and click on Go. Your hardware will again be tested. Once you have successfully completed the hardware test, you will be directed to the Guidelines page. Please read the instructions carefully and click on Next. As per the given instructions, kindly acknowledge the time frame and ensure to complete the process in one sitting. Then click on Next and click on Start Session. You will be directed to the further registration process. If you find you have already applied for the job, click on the menu on top right corner. Click on Jobs Applied To. You will find a hyperlink, Complete your application today. Click on that and progress with the registration. If you are stuck on the registration page, please follow the instructions mentioned. When you are on the Take Assessment page, open the audio file and listen to the instructions for the further round of interview. Best of luck.
Let's continue with the assessment session. If you are in the Take Assessment page, kindly follow the instructions. Now you are in the second round of interview, Written Version Test. In this round, you will be evaluated on written communication skills. It is a time-bound test. So it will be of 3 sections. First section, sentence completion. You will find 20 questions. You will have 25 seconds to answer each question. Please make a note. You have to reply in only one word. The second section will be instruction. Passage which is of 3 to 4 lines will be visible only for 30 seconds. Please make use of this time to understand the passage. After 30 seconds, it will disappear and you will be given 90 seconds to reconstruct the passage. In your own words, please give clear and accurate content. The third section will be email writing. You will be given particular situation in which you should reply through email. You will be given 9 minutes to frame in your own words, which should be in 100 to 120 words. Please note, do not click enter or tab button before typing, or else the section will end. Next, round 3, cultural assessment. In this round, you will be evaluated for segments towards the role of customer service executive with Amazon. There is no right or wrong answers in this round. It evaluates your attributes. That's it. You will see a statement, 2 statements in the corner with the option available for both the statements. The options are most likely and more likely. Once the statement is chosen, you will have to choose the option for particular statement. Choosing the option most likely indicates you always project to the attribute mentioned in the statement. Choosing the option more likely indicates you always project this attribute only in a certain situation. You can select only one option. Once you are done with all the questions, click on next. Now you will be taken to 4th round, which is of virtual job tryout. Once you click on the next page, you will be directed to a page which states customer service simulation. Then you are about to begin round 4. The first section, you have 9 questions and you will be choosing most likely and least likely. For each question, you will have 4 options, and after going through the questions, choose the one most likely reply that you would give the customer and one least likely reply. The section 2 will be matching the error. You will be listening to 3 audio conversation between the customer and the associate. Based on that, you will be projecting match the error. If the information related to the audio matches, choose match. If not, choose error. You will also have some management questions which is part of the round, part of the job also. And the third section will be some scenario and options. Okay, so you will have questions as scenario and options will be solutions. So there will be totally 6 questions. You should use help section to read the article and subarticle to get the correct answer. Okay, so the section 4 will be of 15 questions which is based on previous experience. Okay, so the section 5 will be of 20 questions. So this is to evaluate your work style. You will have options like somewhat like me, lot like me, and the moment you choose the answer, it will jump to the next question. So please think over the question and answer correctly. After completion, give your feedback and click continue, and do not forget to give your e-signature at the end. Okay, so scroll down, click on submit. So your process and interview has been completed. All the best, friends. To get application tutorial like this and to get job updates, exam tips, study materials, don't forget to subscribe our channel, and also don't forget to press the notification bell. Please like, share and comment so that your friends will also know about the interview process. Thank you.